Welcome friends to our Facebook page. Look at this glowing butterfly lamp. Let's make it. Cut the bottle into half and cut the shape of the butterfly on this pink craft paper. Paste it on the top of it and give it a 3D shape. Cover the bottle with it. Put a fairy light inside and we are going to put a hanging and look, it is ready. Let's make this beautiful flower hanging. First cut the shape of the flower on the cardboard. Cut 2 such shapes and paste sellotape on the top of it like this. Cut the extra sellotape using scissors. Now we are going to paste these fresh leaves and flowers on the top of it on both of these flowers and combine all of them together on the top of each other. Now put fairy light on the sides and look, your hanging is ready. Look at this butterfly ball hanging. Let's make it. Cut a 8 cm circle and draw butterfly on the top of it. Cut it and paste another butterfly on the top. Now we are going to fold it and make a pentagon shape like this. Make more such pieces, like we are making 12 such pieces, and combine all of them and make a circle like this. Paste a hanging and cover the top. Put a fairy light inside it like this and look, your hanging is ready. Take these bamboo sticks and make a frame. Paste it using hot glue gun. Now take a tissue paper and draw flowers on the top of it. Now pour water on it and you will get beautiful patterns. Draw the leaves using green sketch pen and paste it on the top of the frame. Make more such frames, like we are making 4 of them, and paste all of them together. Cover it from the top and bottom. Put a fairy light inside it and paste a hanging and it's ready. We're going to make balloon bee, so take a balloon and put marble inside it, tie it at the end. Now we are going to flip it and blow the balloon like this. After this we are going to paste the strips of the paper like this. Paste eyes of the bee and a smiley face. Paste its antennas. Cut the wings using blue craft paper. Paste it on the side of it and look, it is ready. Look at this lotus flower hanging. Let's make it. So cut this bottle and we are going to make multiple cut on this yellow craft paper. Paste it around the bottle. Now take pink craft paper, make multiple folds and cut the petals like this. Draw lines on it as well and cover the bottle around it. We are going to cut 3 such pieces and cover it. We are also making these green pieces and paste all of them around it. Pull them down, put a fairy light inside and look, your lotus flower hanging is ready. Look at this pineapple hanging lamp. Let's make it. So we are going to cover this plastic bottle using yellow foam net. Cut the green craft paper and make the crown of the pineapple. Paste it on the top of the bottle. Now make a hole on the bottle and put a hanging and fairy light inside it. Combine all of them together and look, your pineapple lamp is ready. Look at this fun craft. Let's make it. For that we need an egg, so remove the yolk of the egg, make a hole at the center, remove it. Now we are going to paste another bead on it and make the eyes of the bunny. Draw patterns on it. We are drawing flowers. You can also draw leaves and trees on it. For more decoration, paste the ears and tail and it's ready. Take an orange and peel out the cover like this. Halloween is coming soon, so we are going to make monster faces here. So remove the fruit of the orange. Now we are going to draw the monster face like this. Draw it and now we are going to cut it using a knife. Draw the eyes and cut it like this and look, it is ready. We are going to put a hanging inside it and a fairy light as well and look, it is ready. You can make more such faces using different things. Thank you so much for watching this video.